Introducing Jessica Swift's collection, Oh Woof. Last summer, Jessica Swift's neighbors got two sweet puppies that her kids absolutely loved and spent a lot of time playing in their backyard. Their love for the pups inspired this bright and colorful collection, where every print celebrates the joyful energy that dogs bring into our world. Jessica wanted her illustrations to feel like a story from a kid's book and began making cheerful prints of puppies playing at the park, fire hydrants, bones, and paw prints. Available in 12 premium quilting cotton prints, you'll find a complete balance between blenders, medium-sized prints, and a large-scale designs ideal to piece together in your patchwork projects. There are tons of opportunities to fussy cut all sorts of designs in this collection. Have fun cutting out your favorite elements and create our playful free quilt pattern called Doggo. It was a blast to gather some of our AGF furry friends for this wonderful photo shoot for the Oh Woof fabric lookbook. Link in the description box below, you'll discover doggy beds, quilt blocks, and whimsical quilts. You'll even find wonderful accessories for you and your pup, like fabric bins, trendy bucket hats, and dog toys. Be inspired by all the possible projects you can create with these fabrics and prepare to add tons of them to your sewing list. There are two knit substrates to choose from. One is called Woofin' Around and Snack Hour. The super stretchy substrate is so cozy yet breathable, making it ideal for spring and summer. With both being black and white, this means you can make garments for your little ones and play around with the pops of colors we have available in our knit solids. Looking to accentuate the colors of this collection? Check out our matching pure solids in London Red, Coral Reef, Turmeric, and Cozumel Blue. We have exciting news for you viewers. Get a chance to win a fat quarter bundle of all the prints featured in Oh Woof. Check out the description box below for the giveaway rules and details. The winner will be announced next week. Thank you all for watching and good luck. Until next time, happy sewing.